BathSelect Beautiful Deck Mount Faucet, Gold Dual Handle. Product code, BS9542. Retail price, $339. Sale price, $239. BathSelect Beautiful Gold Surface, Installation Faucet. It has a gold finish color. This dual handle faucet comes with a durable, easy-to-turn design and sleek levers to adjust the water pressure. This model is made a perfect sink design. This faucet has been made with premium-grade lightweight. The stylish and classic styling of this faucet is the perfect solution for updating your existing sink hardware. Immediately reduces water waste by eliminating unnecessary and unattended water flow. BathSelect Gold Sink Faucet Specifications. Type: Bathtub Faucet. Product code: BS9542. Product brand: BathSelect. Number of handles: dual. Installation mount: deck mount. Installation type: US standard. Fixed support: yes. Style: contemporary. Surface treatment: gold. Core material: ceramic. Customize: yes. Color: gold. Finish: gold. Faucet extension: 4 number of holes, 3. Hot and cold water: yes. Feature: double support with 3 holes. Material: durable solid brass construction. Product dimension: 16.54 x 10.24 x 3.15 inches.